The term success is commonly heard, but have you ever pondered its true connotation? Is it related to accolades, wealth, or perhaps something more intimate? The definition of success varies from person to person, and it's up to each individual to establish their own interpretation of it. Study while others are sleeping, work while others are loafing, prepare while others are playing, and dream while others are wishing. William A. Ward. The quote that has gained fame and recognition over time advises individuals to undertake their educational pursuits while everyone else is sleeping, attend to their professional responsibilities while others are dilly-dallying, get ready for future challenges while some indulge in leisure activities, and pursue their aspirations while others only hope for their dreams to come true. Despite sounding unassuming, this quote holds great significance as it emphasizes the importance of investing one's time and effort diligently, and persevering through hard work and sacrifice to attain success, a feat that only a few are willing to undertake. Study while others are sleeping. Although it may appear to be a challenging undertaking, devoting time to studying while others are asleep is a vital step towards reaching one's objectives. Flourishing individuals recognize that diligence and commitment are indispensable in attaining success. By dedicating themselves to studies in the wee hours of the morning or late at night, they are capable of optimizing their efficiency and forging ahead of their rivals. This strategy, although demanding, ultimately positions them for triumph in their chosen arena. Former U.S. President Barack Obama provides a great example of someone who has followed this advice. He famously made it a habit to wake up at 5 a.m. every day to exercise and read before starting his workday. By prioritizing his wellness and personal enrichment before diving into his day's tasks, he set a positive tone for the rest of his day. This practice allowed him to maintain a clear focus and high level of productivity even when dealing with challenging situations. Apple CEO Tim Cook and entrepreneur Richard Branson similarly emphasize their morning routine as a crucial component of their success. By starting their day with a structured routine, they position themselves for maximum effectiveness throughout the rest of their day. Work while others are loafing. In a world where various forms of distractions are ubiquitous, it is undoubtedly easy to fall into the trap of idleness and unproductiveness. Nevertheless, cognizant and victorious individuals have come to the realization that engaging in diligent and assiduous work is precisely what is required to attain success and realize their objectives. One way to gain a competitive edge and distinguish yourself from others is to work while they are idling. Reflecting on your work habits can help you identify areas for improvement. This includes evaluating whether you are utilizing your time effectively and maintaining a strong focus on your tasks. Being truthful in your self-assessment can allow you to implement alterations that will facilitate success in your endeavors. Prepare while others are playing. Success can be greatly influenced by the effort put into preparation and planning. Regardless of whether it is in sports or business, individuals who devote extra time to get ready, both mentally and physically, and map out strategies with ample attention to detail have a higher likelihood of achieving their goals and rising above competitors. An instance that perfectly embodies this stance is none other than Michael Jordan, the basketball superstar who achieved an iconic status in the sport. Jordan's unbridled passion for the game translated into his relentless preparation routine that entailed arduously poring over hours of footage of his opponents and undertaking rigorous training sessions. It is undoubtedly this unwavering commitment to improving his skills and honing his craft that ultimately propelled him to the very top of the basketball echelons, solidifying his position as a bona fide all-time great player. Dream while others are wishing. The act of dreaming may appear to be a laid-back pursuit, yet the truth is that it demands a considerable amount of purposeful action. It demands that you take charge of envisioning the future you desire and undertake the necessary steps towards transforming that vision into a tangible reality. Though many people may be satisfied with merely having aspirations of success, those who dare to dream are resolute in carrying out the actions necessary to transform their dreams into reality. They recognize that triumph isn't attainable without persistent effort and resilience, and that it requires persistently dedicating oneself to the pursuit of their objectives. Achieving success necessitates an amalgamation of tenacity, readiness, and persistence. By devoting oneself to studying while others rest, working diligently while others idle, and preparing assiduously while others engage in leisure, one can establish a foundation for attaining success. In addition to the actions we choose to undertake, our mindset also plays a crucial role in achieving success and fulfillment. It is essential to aspire to great heights and maintain a focused outlook on our future aspirations, even in the face of skepticism or apathy from others. As beautifully expressed by the renowned quote, "Only those who harbor unwavering faith in their dreams can claim a stake in the promise of what tomorrow may bring." I urge all of you to put forth efforts towards accomplishing your own success. It is essential to remember that success cannot be attained overnight. It requires constant devotion and endurance. It is important to keep pursuing your objectives and preserve your desire to achieve your aspirations. Never let go of your dreams and continue pushing yourself towards your goals with unwavering determination.